Hi everybody, it's Filipina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna unbox some shoes that I'm gonna use for my driving and of course for my custom video. So I'm so excited what's inside. But I know it's a shoes, but I'm excited to see how it looks like. Okay, let's get started. So now we're going to open this box. Oh my god, it's quite heavy. Oh, from USA. It's from one of my subscribers. And okay, I have to move backwards. So don't mind my background because I put some stuff here from my terrace. So unbox with me for now. I'm just excited what's inside. Finally it's here. Oh my god, it looks so expensive. It's already smashed. Smashed up. Oh my gosh. So I have to move down the camera first. There you go. And then, so you can see me unboxing. Oh my god. One. So my dog is here. Two. HK UPS Hong Kong. So maybe it's from Hong Kong. But the owner is from USA. So okay. Oh my god, I would like to say thank you so much for these beautiful shoes. I didn't expect. Oh my god. We'll see. I have two boxes of shoes. So okay. Oh, I have some, I don't know what is that. Oh my god. Oh my god. OMG. So it's this one. It doesn't look big. I have to be careful with this. Wow. So I'm just checking. It's beautiful. So I have one. Okay, it's too high. And it's gonna fit this one after. Two. I just have to put my garbage here. So this is the first shoes that we unboxed. It's color white. This one and this one. Okay, next is we're going to open the second box. Oh, so we'll see. I hope it will fit. So ta-da! I have to put this here and have some free pads. Oh, this is for the feet so that your feet will not feel painful. Feel painful. It's very soft. It's a kind of padding. Bra padding. So okay, next. Oh my god. It's for my collections. Added for my collection. Wow, it's red. It's cute. I love it. Well, thank you so much. So we're going to open another one. I will keep the box because I have also from Lazada. I love it also very much. Oh no, not from Lazada, from Amazon. The Lazada depends for the price. If you buy cheaper one, then quality is cheap. If you buy like around 800 to 1,000 plus, mostly 1,000 plus, and you have also markdown, then the quality is good. But if you buy like 300 to 500 price range, that kind of price amount is quality is cheap. Well, I have this now. So finally it's here. So this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it's too sexy. Thank you so much. So next is we're going to fit the shoes. First is we're gonna fit this one. It's really comfortable. But first I have to put the pad, kind of pad. Oh, this is good. It's not painful. It's just good. And I like it because I have some space for my foot. So the size is quite a little bit bigger. Just a little bit bigger. So my size for this 4-inch size. So next is the red one. This is perfect size. The other one is 36. This one is also 36, but the white is quite a bit bigger, but it's not that bad. This one is perfect, the red one. Yeah. Hi everybody, I'm Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I have this, oh my god, it's too heavy. This is shoes from one of my subscribers. So he sent this one from USA. It's brand new shoes and oh my god, let's get started. Unbox with me guys. Before we fit the shoes, we have to attach this kind of paddings for the shoes so that when you fit it will not look too high or feel so high. So I'm going to wait, so I have to see how to angle this one. This one is for the okay, this one is for the left. There it is. So now we're going to fit this one. And now we have to do first the red shoes. This one. Have to move forward. It's really warm here because my fan is inside the house, so I didn't use fan here yet, but I will do later. So I have to attach this first. There it goes. So okay, let's fit the shoes. So hi everybody, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy our unboxing video today. So it's really beautiful. The shoes is really beautiful. It's red and white. So I have also black stilettos, and then if you want a custom video, just message me to my Facebook page, Curse Vlog, or else you can go to my Gmail account in my channel Asong Filipina. It's just there in the banner. So thank you everyone for watching, and thank you for the love and support and the persons who sent this beautiful stiletto. So I appreciate it very much. And then if you want to donate some shoes, my size is size 36, and if you want to donate for a gas for my car, and then you also can go to my PayPal account in the description down below. Bye, love you all.